Look, times are rough with our government basically shutting down, all businesses closing, unemployment claims at an all-time high, stock market crashing, essential items being sold out at stores, and people not even being able to afford their basic necessities such as their mortgage, car payment, and even food. Now is the time to get help. Look, I know the government is sending stimulus checks to people, but maybe some people cannot wait for that. Maybe some people don't qualify for it. Maybe that's not enough. Maybe some don't live in a country where the government is helping them financially. This is why I created my last 2 YouTube videos, including this one, going over ways to create additional streams of income that will in turn help you during these difficult financial times. Look, in this video, I will go over the top 7 best work from home jobs right now in 2020 that you can start. Stay tuned.
Tell me, how does it feel living that good life? Never ever really had to think twice.
What's going on, fam? Justin Hauser, and welcome to the Justin Hauser Show, where I go over vital information in only 5 minutes on how to make you financially smart and rich. Feel free to check the description below for show notes, links to all recommended products listed in this video, and anything that I might have forgot to mention. And most importantly, if you get value in this video, then can you help that YouTube algorithm and smash that like button and subscribe? Note that this is a brief description of the 7 best work from home jobs, but stay tuned to my channel as I will release a detailed video on each of the best work from home jobs. Also note that you can start earning money right away from some of these jobs that require no degree, no certification, no experience, but some do require a little more work. So let's get right into the 7 best work from home jobs in 2020. The number 7 best work from home job in 2020 is transcribing or captioning. So what is it exactly? Transcribing is when you listen to an audio and video and you type what is being said. Captioning is basically the same but a few differences. In captioning, you will watch the video, type what is being said, and also convey the sounds. An easy way to understand captioning is when you're trying to do the Netflix and chill thing and you want subtitles to play. This is captioning at its core. So what is the best site to earn money from home transcribing? Rev.com. Why? Rev.com is the go-to place for companies and influencers to get their audio or video transcribed. In fact, Rev.com has over 15,000 freelancers transcribing or captioning video content on their platform. One of the benefits of having this freelancing type job is that it allows you to work as much or as little as you want whenever you want. You can enjoy a selection from hundreds of products that actually interest you. Rev.com has a vast network of customers that equals a steady stream of freelancing jobs to choose from. So how much can I earn? As a transcriptionist, you can earn from 30 cents to $1.10 per minute, and as a captioner, you can earn between 54 cents to $1.10 per minute. So what does this equal to in an hourly pay? Just to listen to a video and audio, you can earn up to $66 per hour with no degree, no certification, and no experience required. Hypothetically, if you have consistent work at Rev.com for 40 hours per week, you could then earn up to $137,280 per year or $11,440 per month. Chances are slim that you're gonna get consistent 40 hours, but this is here just to show you what is possible. What's even more crazy is that if you can speak multiple languages, you can now make up to $1.50 to $3 per minute or up to $180 per hour to translate subtitles in different languages. So how do I apply? If Rev.com is currently accepting freelancers from your country, you will simply go to Rev.com, scroll to the bottom and click on freelancers, and then click register. The registering portion consists of 2 parts. The first part is a grammar quiz consisting of 20 questions. And the second part is where you will transcribe a 3-minute sample and wait to be contacted by Rev.com for approval. This process usually takes less than a week to hear back from them. The number 6 best work from home job in 2020 is to become a tester. So what exactly is a tester? These testing companies operate a platform that gets rapid customer feedback on almost any customer experience that you can imagine, including websites, mobile apps, and real-world experiences. So why would companies pay for this? They can get identifiable pain points in their customer experience, understand what their customers are thinking and feeling, and validate design decisions before committing resources such as money. In short, the tester can get paid to share your opinions and experiences about something such as a website, an application, a program, etc. So what is the best site to make money from home simply by testing. My go-to is UserTesting.com. Why UserTesting.com? UserTesting.com is the industry leader in this category. They've completed over 3 million tests, paid out over $10 million in commission to participants in 2019 alone, and influenced over 35,000 different brands, including household names such as Walmart, Facebook, Home Depot, CBS, Adobe, Ford, and many, many more. So how much money can I earn? First off, you don't have to pay anything to start. All you need to have is a computer, a microphone, and then download their screen recording software to record your opinions or views. You can also opt for mobile testing, in which you will just need a smartphone. Testers get paid $10 per test, which usually takes about 20 minutes to complete, and then you have 4 quick follow-up written questions. So imagine getting paid up to $30 per hour to simply voice your opinion. So let's say $30 is not enough. They also have tests in which you can interact live with a customer up to 20 minutes and then get paid $60 to do so. So now it's up to $180 an hour. Is that good enough? So now you might be wondering, how do I apply? You simply go to usertesting.com, click on Get Paid to Test on the top, sign up, and then wait to receive testing opportunities in your email. That simple. Quick interlude. If you're getting value in this video and you appreciate all the research that I've done, can you do me a favor and smash that like button and let me know in the comments, have you ever tried a work from home job? And if so, what have you tried? The number 5 best work from home job in 2020 is teaching English online. So what is this exactly? You can teach English online to adults or students from all age ranges from all across the world. There are many sites that offer this kind of work. However, I want to concentrate just on you teaching English to kids. So what is the best site to make money from home teaching English? VIPKid.com. Why did I choose VIPKid.com? VIPKid.com is an online ESL, or English as a Second Language, teaching program that teaches Chinese students ages 4 to 12 English. In fact, VIPKid.com has over 700,000 students on its platform waiting for teachers like you. All classes are held one-on-one and conducted online through their VIP Kid portal, which is similar to Skype or FaceTime. So you're probably wondering, do I need to know Chinese? The answer is no. So how much money can I earn? On average, you will earn between $15 to $22 per hour. Because you select your own hours, total earning opportunities can vary. So how do I apply? Go to VIPKid.com/teach. Sign up to create an account. Once you create the account, you will then need to review some materials and do a short demo lesson. You will then do a mock class with a current teacher to help prepare you for the real thing. Once accepted, you then sign a contract and start teaching. Wait. Did you just say sign a contract? Yes, a 6-month minimum commitment is required. But during that time, you can work as much as you want or as little as you like. They simply want to ensure that their students get the highest quality care from their program. Thus, they want teachers who are serious and also teachers who can stay with their students for a certain amount of time to ensure their success. Still don't understand why you gotta sign a contract? Just imagine this. Let's say you're going to elementary school or middle school and you have a math class. Imagine having a different math teacher every single week. How would you progress in your math then? One thing to note is that there are a few requirements to apply for this program. You will need at least a bachelor's degree and a teaching license. However, if you do not have a teaching license, you will have to complete a TESOL program. However, VIPKid.com offers you one for free. The number 4 best work from home job in 2020 is online tutoring. So what is online tutoring? This is very similar to the previous best work from home job of teaching English to kids, but is much more broad. You will be tutoring adults or kids in a variety of subjects, including music, biology, math, reading, English, computer, and many more. So what is the best site to make money from home being a tutor and teaching online? My pick goes to Wyzant.com. Why Wyzant.com? Wyzant.com is the nation's largest community of professional tutors. They also offer both in-person tutors and online tutors. Wyzant.com has been featured in the New York Times, CNBC, CBS, Fox News, Forbes, and many more respectable news sources. Every month, millions of new students and parents come to Wyzant to find a tutor. There are new job opportunities posted every single minute. So how much money can I earn? You get to choose your own hourly rate. Most tutors charge between $30 to $60 per hour, but some even charge $90 plus per hour for some of the harder subjects, such as computer skills or test prepping. In fact, Wyzant.com tutors have earned more than $64 million since its inception. So how do I apply? Go to Wyzant.com, click on the Start Tutoring, and then the Apply Now button on the top. You then simply choose the subjects you want to tutor, write detailed information about yourself, your teaching experience, hourly rate, etc. You then want to personalize your profile, read and agree to their tutor agreement, verify your email, and then wait to be accepted in the program. The number 3 best work from home job in 2020 goes to the Amazon remote jobs. So what exactly is this? These are virtual or at-home positions from Amazon. There are several positions that you could apply for, such as sales, advertising, IT, human resources, medical or safety, technical reps, and also customer service. So how much money can I earn? This can vary from a starting salary of $40,000 per year for customer service reps, all the way up to $500,000 plus for lead program managers. So how do I apply? Go to amazon.jobs, and then click on the View Remote Jobs in the middle of the screen. You can then filter by job type, job category, business category, etc. until you find the one that fits your needs. Once you find the one you're looking for, click on that posting and then click Apply Now. The number 2 best work from home job in 2020 goes to the Apple at Home Advisor. So what is an Apple at Home Advisor? If you're an Appleaholic like me and you would like to get a $2,000 Apple iMac for free, then this might be for you. When you become an Apple at Home Advisor, you will be the customer's first point of contact. You'll provide world-class customer support, troubleshooting, and technical support. If you're a little nervous about doing this or not sure if you know everything about Apple, don't worry. Apple's training pipeline program is state-of-the-art and unparalleled to almost any other company in the world. So how much can I earn? According to ZipRecruiter.com, the average pay for an Apple at Home Advisor ranges from $24,000 per year all the way up to $98,000 per year. So how do I apply? You can either Google search Apple at Home Advisor and be taken right to the screen, or you can go to apple.com/jobs/us/AHA.html. Once you're there, click on Want to Search for a Job Now button. Filter what your needs are, click on the job posting, and then submit your resume. And the number 1 best work from home job in 2020 goes to becoming an audiobook narrator. So what in the world is an audiobook narrator? My last YouTube video went over this in extreme detail, so make sure you check that out after this video is done. But in short, audiobookexchange.com, or commonly referred to as ACX, is a website that connects authors or publishers to individuals like you and I that will read their book or narrate, thus turning it to an audiobook. ACX is owned and operated by Amazon and sells their audiobooks on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. Why is this important? It gives you access to an audience of over 250 million people worldwide. Why do I care how big the audience is? Well, that leads me into my next point. How much money can I earn? You can earn up to $400 per hour reading a book that usually consists of about a 10-hour project. If you do that math, that's $4,000 simply to read a book. They also have a second payment option that you can choose, which is to split 50-50 the royalties or profits from the sale of the audiobook. So how do I apply? You go to acx.com, click on narrators on the bottom, and then click on step 1 to sign up on ACX and create your profile. There are a few more steps involved that you need to know in detail of how to complete this and how to up your chances of not only getting accepted, but also getting these audiobook deals.
So make sure you check out my last YouTube video after this one is done for complete details.
So there it is, the top 7 best work from home jobs in 2020. I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, can you smash that like button? Now it's time for question of the day. Which one of these 7 jobs were most appealing to you, and which will you apply for first? Please leave your answer below in the comments, as I would love to connect with you. And remember, God sees you and He loves you. See you on the next video.